Okay, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1, and we're going to ask you a number of different questions and you got to answer. Yes.
Do you like to take photographs?
Yes, I do. I love to take photographs on many occasions, and especially I love to take selfies on from my phone, and uh, I like to take photographs on weddings, and whenever
I see.
I see any natural scenery, so I like to take photographs.
Okay, overall it is good, but you repeated the word take photographs at least 4 to 5 times. Take photographs, capture photos, capture the memories, okay, or anything like that other than take photographs.
Okay.
You can use take photographs a couple of times, but try to use other things as well,
Sure,
right?
sir.
Okay, but overall answer is good, but yeah, you are stuck somewhere in the middle, so try to be fluent and ideas should be available there.
Sure,
Let's
sir.
go on.
Are you good at photography?
No, I am not good at photography, but I always try to take photos from my phone, and because of my phone apps, I often take very good photos.
Yeah, I'm not good at photography, but Snapchat. Okay, something like that. Okay, that's good. One more.
Thank you, sir.
How often do you take photographs?
There are many occasions when I try to take photographs. First of all, when I see a natural scenery such as sunset or the sky, and secondly, whenever I go to any wedding and I capture the special occasions there, and finally when I go to any get together in my family.
Good. I capture the special moments there whenever I go to a wedding. Overall, your English is fine. Everything is okay. Just you need practice with these topics and you have to be familiar.
Thank
That's
you.
it. You'll be good, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.